So this is a quick review of this cable from AliExpress. It's a cable for HP laptops, the older charger cable for HP laptops. It says fast charging cable 20 volts 7.4 by 5 millimeter for HP power plug power delivery USB 3.1 charge cable. So I have over here the packaging, and let's see what comes in the box. Company name, blah blah blah. You can read that if you want to. Alright, let's focus back down. So here it is. It says again PD 65 watts for HP 18.5 to 20 volts. Now this is the power supply for my laptop. It's actually a 65 watt power supply. It's 18.5 volts. And just comparing the plugs quickly, let me see if I can make the brightness settle. Yeah, they pretty much look and feel the same. Let's see how long it is. Yeah, about a meter. The USB Type-C side looks good, so let's see if it actually works. And I have here this older HP, let's refocus on it. Yeah, this older HP EliteBook 2560p, and we'll plug in the charger end here. And to test, I have a couple of chargers. This is Hoco 65 watt gallium nitride charger, and I also have the Ikea 45 watt dual port. So let's try the 65 watt first. Let's plug it in, and the charger LED is on, and yeah, we have charging. It says it's charging and it's animating that it's charging. Plugged in, and also the HP tool also says it's charging. Okay, so this one works, and now we're not charging anymore. Let's try the 45 watt Ikea. Yeah, and also it says it's charging in Windows, and also the HP support assistant says it's charging. The LED is red and it says it's charging, so yeah, does the job. Looks like this cable is okay for this purpose. Now I assume it actually puts out 20 volts. I could test it, but I will need to find my multimeter, and I don't think it's useful. 20 volts should be safe for these laptops. Usually they work with 19.5, so yeah, it's okay. So yeah, I'm happy. I get to leave the brick at home and just carry this with me. So perfect. Yeah, that's all.